Hi guys, this is Georgie from Creative Art Studio and I'm here today to talk to you about pottery painting. This is by far our most popular project. You paint with us, you leave it with us, and after 7 days your piece is ready for pickup. We have pieces for everybody. We have functional pieces, we have decorative pieces, we have pieces for adults, we have pieces for children, mugs, plates, bowls, figurines, banks, gnomes, anything like that. There's a studio fee that covers the glazing and firing cost. It's an $8 studio fee for adults, $6 for kids, and then plus the price of the piece you pick out. Once you've picked out your piece, we'll direct you to a table, and then we will go over all of our paints with you.
Hi, I'm Megan. I'm going to be going over our pottery paints with you guys today. So behind me, we have our pottery painting wall. We have two basic types of paints. We have our small bottles, and we also have our large bottles. So you're going to choose from one of those types. Our little bottles are not already formulated to be food safe. So we end up dipping them in a clear food safe glaze. So regardless of whether or not you paint the entire piece, it will come out shiny and food safe for you at the end of the firing process. Those large bottles, they already have that glaze fixed into them. So they're going to come out shiny without dipping them. What that means is that you want to make sure that you cover your entire piece. To get the best effect, you want to make sure you do 3 layers and let it dry in between each coat. You'll take whatever paints you like, as many bottles as you want, back to your table with you. At the table we have palettes, paintbrushes, and a bowl of water for you to get started on your project. And most importantly, have fun painting.